Welcome back to the channel Fiverr Finders. Today I'll be reviewing a Fiverr gig that promises to boost your website's SEO using high-quality backlinks, optimized for 2024's latest search engine algorithms. If you're looking to rank higher on Google and drive more organic traffic to your site, this might be the solution for you. Let's dive in and see if this gig delivers. I found this seller on Fiverr who specializes in SEO backlinks for 2024. Their gig promises high-quality backlinks from authority sites, white-hat SEO practices, backlinks that are safe for Google's new algorithms, and a detailed report of the work done. They claim to help improve search engine rankings and build domain authority over time. Let's see how well they performed. Ordering the gig. The ordering process was straightforward. After purchasing, the seller requested my website, URL, target keywords, and the niche or industry of my site. They also asked if I had any preferences for the types of backlinks or specific sites. Quality of backlinks. The backlinks they provided were impressive in terms of quality. Most of the links were from high domain authority websites, DA40+. The mix included blog posts, niche directories, and forums relevant to my industry. No spammy or low-quality sites were used, which is great for long-term SEO results. White hat techniques. I liked that the seller followed white hat SEO practices. The backlinks were manually built, which is much safer than automated methods that could trigger penalties from Google. Do-follow versus no-follow links. The gig included a healthy mix of do-follow and no-follow links. This balance is important because it looks more natural to search engines. Keyword targeting. The backlinks were built around the target keywords I provided, and the anchor texts were well optimized. Delivery time. They delivered the project within the promised time frame, which was X days. They even provided a detailed Excel report with all the links, domain metrics, and anchor texts used. It's too soon to see significant results, as backlinks take time to impact rankings. However, Google Search Console showed an increase in impressions and clicks for my target keywords within 2 weeks. The domain authority of my site improved slightly, indicating the backlinks are starting to take effect. The website's spam score remained low, which confirms the backlinks are high quality. The seller was communicative and professional throughout the process. They answered all my questions and even suggested additional keywords that could improve my rankings. Their willingness to make revisions, if needed, was a nice bonus. The gig offered 3 packages. Basic, a small number of backlinks for niche keywords. Standard, a balanced package with more links and broader keyword coverage. Premium, a comprehensive package for competitive keywords and industries. I chose the standard premium package, and I feel it's worth the investment given the quality of the backlinks and the potential long-term SEO benefits. Pros: high-quality manual backlinks from relevant authority sites. White hat SEO practices ensuring long-term safety. Excellent communication and transparency with detailed reports. Cons: results take time, which is typical for SEO. The premium package might be pricey for beginners, but the quality justifies the cost. If you're serious about improving your website's SEO and ranking in 2024, this Fiverr gig is definitely worth considering. The seller delivers on their promises, and the quality of the backlinks makes them a reliable choice. If you want to try this gig for yourself, I've left the link in the description below. Let me know your thoughts or share your SEO struggles in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy ranking.